In the high-stakes arena of poker, few strategies command as much respect and fear as loose-aggressive lag play. Imagine dictating the flow of the game, putting opponents on tilt, and scooping massive pots with calculated aggression. This is the allure of lag poker. Lag players are the table captains, constantly applying pressure and forcing opponents into difficult decisions. They thrive on chaos, using a wider range of starting hands and a relentless betting pattern to keep their opponents guessing. The appeal of lag poker is undeniable. It's a strategy that promises not just victory but domination. It's about outsmarting, outmaneuvering, and ultimately, outplaying the competition. But beware, mastering lag poker is no easy feat. It requires a deep understanding of the game, unwavering discipline, and the ability to read your opponents like an open book. What exactly defines a loose-aggressive lag player? In essence, it's about playing more hands aggressively. This means raising and re-raising pre-flop with a wider range of hands than your average tight player, and continuing that aggression post-flop with bets and raises. Lag poker is a stark contrast to tight aggressive tag play. Tag players are known for their patience, waiting for premium starting hands and playing a disciplined, straightforward style. While tag poker can be highly effective, it can also be predictable. Lag players, on the other hand, thrive on unpredictability. Their loose pre-flop ranges and aggressive betting patterns make them difficult to read, keeping their opponents constantly on edge. The element of surprise is a powerful weapon in poker, and lag players wield it expertly. They understand that by playing a wider range of hands aggressively, they can control the table dynamics and force their opponents into uncomfortable situations. Let's illustrate the difference between lag and tag play with a simple example. Imagine a six-handed no-limit hold'em game. The pot is unopened and you're on the button with Queen-Jack offsuit, QJO. A typical tag player might consider this hand too weak to play from late position and would likely fold. A lag player, however, sees an opportunity to steal the blinds or build a pot. They might raise pre-flop, putting pressure on the blinds to defend. Now, let's say the flop comes down king-high with two low cards. A tag player, without a king in their hand, might check and proceed cautiously. A lag player, sensing weakness in their opponents, might fire out a continuation bet, hoping to win the pot right there or get information about their opponent's holdings. This example highlights the fundamental difference between lag and tag play. Lag players are proactive, dictating the action with a wider range of hands. Tag players are more reactive, waiting for strong hands in favorable situations. Section 4. The advantages of playing loose aggressive. The allure of lag poker is undeniable, and for good reason. This strategy offers a plethora of advantages when executed correctly. First, table image and deception. Lag players cultivate an image of unpredictability, making it difficult for opponents to put them on a hand. This forces opponents into difficult decisions, even with strong holdings. Next, controlling the action. By playing aggressively, lag players dictate the pace of the game. They can force folds, build pots, and control the size of the pot, putting themselves in a better position to win. Then, exploiting weakness. Lag players are adept at identifying and exploiting their opponent's weaknesses. They can pressure timid players into folding or trap overly aggressive players with well-timed raises. And finally, increased bluff equity. By playing a wider range of hands aggressively, lag players increase their fold equity. This means their opponents are more likely to fold to their bets and raises, even if they don't have the best hand. When mastered, lag poker can be a highly profitable and entertaining way to play. However, it's not without its drawbacks. Section 5. The pitfalls of loose aggression. While lag poker can be incredibly effective, it's crucial to understand the potential downsides. First, higher variance. Playing more hands aggressively inherently leads to more swings in your bankroll. Be prepared for the emotional roller coaster that comes with lag play. Next, risk of overplaying hands. It's easy to get carried away with aggression. Lag players must be disciplined and avoid overplaying weak hands, especially in unfavorable positions. Then, vulnerability to strong players. Experienced players can often recognize and exploit lag tendencies. Be wary of playing too loose against skilled opponents. And finally, bankroll management is crucial. Due to the higher variance, lag players need a larger bankroll to withstand swings and avoid going broke. Understanding these downsides is vital to becoming a successful lag player. It's not just about playing aggressively, it's about choosing the right spots and playing with calculated aggression.